escalator.
Chat! Hi! You're excited? That's you, Dino. Jude, that's the brother of Kuya Bato.
That's a real one.
Oh, you can touch. You wanna touch? You can touch.
He's here.
So we go now.
Then for our reminders is to keep your belongings with you, for we are not liable of your loss. Don't break or damage any stations display, for there will be a charge minimum of 5,000 pesos.
Ayan yung dinodrawing mo po siya to. This one, di ba? Remember the Avatar? Ganyan, napanood mo ba Avatar, babe? Tree of Life stick.
Nagulat siya.
Are you a scientist, George?
Like this, that.
Ano tong poop spray? Para sa?
Ito po, kapag may alaga po kayo. Parang kapag mabaho yung kain nila.
Pampabango ng poop? Babango ba talaga yung poop, ate? Ngayon ako nakarinig. Pwede ba sa tao yan?
Pag ano ma'am, pag kunyari mabaho, CR, ganun.
Akala ko yung mismong poop kung paano yun, tapos hindi nababaho. Ay, kailangan yung poop spray na lang para di babaho. Ayun. Okay.
Alam mo na, Vince.
Magka-cupcake po kayo ma'am.
Cupcake. Palakihan daw kayo ng mata. Giorgio, naliliitan sa mata mo. Anak, be careful. That's an egg. That's a dinosaur egg. Oh, scary. That's what she likes. Wow. What are you making there? Yes. Wow. Is that yummy, George? Make sure it's yummy, ah. Wow, galing naman mag-mix.
Snapchat na yan.
Oh, sarap naman i-kiss yung armpit ng chef na yan. Galing naman. It's hot, babe. Be careful, ah.
Careful.
Let's wait for it.
Wow,
That's
good.
gonna be cooked after 20 minutes. Wow. And then you're gonna put something on top. Puchot. Why? Why? Scary? Ha? Disgusting? Hindi yan ang pag-aaralan nyo kung magdodoktor ka. Huwag na lang? Ayaw na? Daddy, ayaw niya na daw maging doktor.
Shut. Oh, you're a daddy na!
Daddy na.
Daddy po siya. Tapadodo mo na.
Inside the womb. First step, oh, yan.
Together to form tissues, organs, and systems.
Step by step.
This is
Step by step. Fourth month daw to.
Fascinating to think about how all these
4, 5,
together,
6,
just like a
7,
perfectly tuned orchestra. As
5,
you explore the exhibits,
6,
let's start with the skeletons.
7.
Look around at the display of bones. Did you know that adults have 206 bones, while babies are born
Yan ba yun?
with
Ganyan. Yan, binaklas na ang katawan. Ibabalik nyo, ha? Ano ba ba't sa akin mo inaano? Lagay mo. Anong panamanan sa cupcake making, anak?
And yung next po is yung pancreas. Ito po sa loob. Baliktad.
Walang panama yan sa cupcake making nyo, anak. Buong, internal organ na ng tao yan, oo. Ha?
Baliktad po.
Binubuo mo. That's the heart.
And the last part
Oh,
is
yes,
the chest part.
For
Here
female.
of the doctor. And yung pancreas, dito sa
Dr. George. Dr. Zareen.
Dr. Zareen magpantay.
You will have an operation, Dr. Zareen.
May opera ko
last
na.
part.
Nabuo ni George. Wow. Okay.
The chest part.
Ayun. Galing ah. Yun. Oh, George naman, George.
Pwede na si
Pwede na, pwede na. Oh, si George, si Puchot daw. Ayun, ayun na. Kawawa naman yung pasyente, anak. Properly, properly.
Nagpasunod likod.
Oh, very good.
Brother siya.
Oo, di ba? O, di ba? Okay, patay na yung pasyente.
Yan. Faster. Sabi ko. Kailangan ng practice.
Ganyan ba, ganyan?
Practice, bata. Kailangan ng practice.